macOS comes with several noteworthy features so that you can fine-tune your Mac in accordance with your needs. One such neat feature is the ability to completely block the camera access on your Mac. So, for whatever reason, if you no longer want anyone to use your Mac's FaceTime camera, you can choose to altogether disable it. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first we have to launch the System Settings app on your Mac. Then you have to choose the screen time option. And then you have to choose the content and privacy option. Then ensure that the toggle next to content and privacy is enabled. Next up, you have to choose the app and feature restrictions option. Then you have to disable the toggle next to allow camera and then hit the done button to confirm the action, and you are good to go. You have successfully blocked the camera access on your Mac. Later, if you ever want to use the camera on your Mac, just return to the same screen time setting and then ensure that the toggle for allow camera is turned on in the end, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily block the camera access on your macOS device depending on your needs. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy macOS tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good day. Bye-bye.